welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do all the crap. So today we're going to try the spicy noodle challenge again. But, so I got the water boiling right here. And I got the ramen packets are over here all open, ready. I'm putting shrimp and chicken flavor. I'm going to show you the hot sauce. Let me go get it. It's going to be a mixture of red hot wings. It's right there at Buffalo. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do all that crap. So today we're making some ramen. I just put in the ramen. And today we're going to use some red hot Frank's red hot sauce. And yeah, so me and Amber are gonna do it. I was trying to look for the Carolina Reaper hot sauce, but I can't find it. I was kind of hoping, because that's technically what it is. So yeah. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so for the sauce, I am doing, like I said, red hot. I also put it in there with it, so it can be more spicier. But I'm putting red hot in the bowl, and I'm going to put garlic and all that other junk. So here's the sauce. This is what it'll turn out like. You have to stir it for like a minute or two to get to melt the butter. And these are done. I made sure they were. Yes, I am going to make more sauce. That's just a tutorial to just give you. I put garlic, hot sauce, and butter. Okay, so I drained it out and put it back in the pan. I do have to take out some for Devin, and I just made a big mess after I take some out for Devin, so let me go do that. This bowl is going to be for Devin, so you can hold on to it better. Okay. Yes, he does like a little bit of hot sauce, but he doesn't like as much as we do. That's why I put his to the side. Then, pouring that, I'm going to make some more. So I'll be right back. Now, yes, I do put in the packets. I just forgot to. So, yes, I am going to do it right now. I put in one packet of each because I don't like that much flavor, especially with what we're doing. So, I'm going to put one packet of each. I'm going to put all shrimp, actually. So, okay. And the butter just got done. That is so good. Pour this in there. Now I'm going to stir this all in. Yes, I did put a little bit more garlic inside this. So yeah, it's ready to eat. Wait. Hello, welcome back to my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Like I said before. So here's the noodles. Me and Amber are going to get served.
Okay. I want to stream on this.
Amber.
Ah! Hot.
It is hot.
Let's start off with a little bit and then. Thank you. So we got extra hot sauce if we need it. I don't think I need any more hot. Where's your headphones? You barely mixed it. I mean, not a lot. Like, where's he going? Use that stand in the living room. Wait.
Ouch. Oh my gosh, Amber.
Okay. I need something crunchy.
You can go get something crunchy.
Why does he have to make sound effects? Okay. So we got water over here. It's not cold, but... Anthony! Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's like hot, like not spicy.
Steam
but
hot.
Yeah. It's good. Wish I put a little bit more water in it.
That's cold water. Ew. Anthony!
It's only gonna soak it up.
Ew!
Amber, it's not a problem. You don't need to eat it.
You just ruined it.
Now it's good. Whew. Try to get it spicy. This is good. Can you drink already?
No, I'm just thirsty. Oh, excuse me.
Now it's starting to get spicy. If you can hear Devin, I'm sorry. By the way, I did put butter and...
He doesn't know how to turn down things.
I put butter.
Devin, turn it down!
Sorry. I'll edit that out. This video is gonna have a lot of editing.
Good luck.
That's good.
Anthony.
Good. Thank you. It's hot.
Ooh, my mouth is burning and I'm hot.
I'm both. I'm using my grandma's cowboy boots things to hold the salt shaker and all. To hold that up, and it's a really good stand. I'll show you after the video. Holy crap. Hear that too?
Mm-hmm.
That was weird.
Did you turn off the stove?
Yeah.
The bottom is the more spicy.
Sebastian, but look at your mess.
I know. Put that in there.
Last bite.
No, you got some in there still. I just think it needs salt. That's it. I mean, look at this. It's spicy.
Alright. Yeah, I heard that too.
Here's the toilet.
Okay. We ate all of it. Alright.
I'm getting really hot.
Yeah, me too. And this is really spicy. I want to actually try the fire noodles.
How many pounds did you cook?
4.
He's staring at me on the camera.
Hmm.
You are?
Oh no, I'm looking at myself.
Look at me on the camera then. Head up. Look at me on the camera. Am I looking at myself or you?
Yourself. Me. Yourself. Me. Yourself. I don't know. I think that's me or.
I looked at the what's it called?
Alright. Nice bite. That was good.
I want an egg.
Yeah, I want an egg too. I should have got eggs. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Only the littlest bite you can take.
I'm gonna get much sauce.
I cooked it with hot sauce so Devin can eat some hot sauce. And I put more hot sauce in there after we're done. After.
My lip is red, isn't it?
Mine is. Let me see.
I just licked it off.
You must have got more than me. It's all over your lips, yeah. You're gonna have burning lips.
So we did a lot of yard work yesterday. Give him something to talk about instead of staring at me.
Well, today, it's just a relaxing day. We got our school done. Our school was actually easy because we just started yesterday, and usually they don't give us much in the first few days. But they said by next week, everyone's going to get, like, everything's going to come up. In 2 weeks. That's when I saw the calendar. That's when everything's going to go blow up. So, yeah. Yesterday we started school. But today, I mean, the 10th, which is tomorrow, right? We're starting officially.
Yeah. Tomorrow's Thursday.
Because today they still have to hand out Chromebooks and make sure everyone has their Chromebook. Alright, I'm going to go wash dishes. You finish eating. And make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment.